All right, today I decided I was going to catch something for Thanksgiving. So we're going to make a trap. What it is 2 pieces of wood. Usually the heavier the better. This is for more or less demonstration. 2 pieces of cord. Okay, so you twist them to where you form an X with the cord. And I'm using tarred bank line just because it's like strong as hell and doesn't rot. You can do this with cordage you make if you want. However, it doesn't matter. Okay, then you take, I realize the cord will be hard to see. Take your cord, lift it up a little bit, and shove a stick in. Straighten it out, kind of like you're building a cabin. Bring another one back. And you go in this way, under the X. Take it straight across. And you want them to rest on top of the others. And this will pull tight as you go, like real tight. Just keep building. Now you can go through and spend the time to shorten up all your sticks so they're proper. I just had these set up for video to where they're the right length. You don't necessarily need them all neat and pretty, especially if you're in the wild trying to do this. Time is usually of the essence, and it goes way too fast, believe that. This is kind of like building a roof on a log cabin. Okay, since I was using smaller sticks with this one, this would work in conjunction real well with a small pit that it sits over. Okay, once you get it there, and it's still a little bit loose, you can take a stick, insert it in, This will tighten up as you go up. Depending on the game you're after, you can add rocks to the top. Okay, that's getting pretty tight. We'll add another bigger one in there just to tighten it up. Seeing this is red cedar and it's not huge, there'll be some flex to it. You can see it's kind of pushing down, so I'm going to stop there. But this is the trap. Then you'd lift it up over your pit, put your bait or your trigger system under here with your bait, and wait. This is the trap trigger. Split a branch, which you push your knife down into both sides, and then down in and form a split, and then break it apart. Then you trim it up to where you got a bit of a gap, and this will make it really touchy. You set that in there like that, hold it together, your weight on it will hold it up. Then when something hits the end out here, it flops out and this rolls down, trap drops. They're kind of a fiddly thing to make, but they work pretty good when you get them done. That's the trap set. Now to add some bait. And birds tend to like the Osage orange fruit that we have here, so that's what I'm going to cut up. The trap is baited. Now we just wait. Hopefully it won't be too long. Thanksgiving isn't very far off. All right, looks like the trap worked. Let's see what we got. I'm sure it ain't gonna be happy. Let's be quick. All right, turkey, look at that. Caught me some turkey. Outstanding. Now we'll get this all plucked and cleaned up, give her a cook up, see how it is. Be a good Thanksgiving for me. The turkey's been plucked and roasted and cleaned. Now I'm cooking it over the fire. And yes, I did say plucked with a P for those of you out there that have a bent mind. But we'll give it a bit to cook up, and then we'll cut a piece of breast meat off and see how it goes. It would appear that the bird is done. Let's see how it turned out. Ooh, looks good. And the meat looks like it's just falling off the bone. Let's see how it is. There it is. Good Thanksgiving meal. Now, in all seriousness, time off with your family and friends is the thing about Thanksgiving. It isn't about all the other mess. That's just add on. So have a safe holiday. Enjoy your time with your friends and family, those that are blessed with such, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.
That's kicking. Look how big it is. Wow. That's huge. Look at that fireball.